Hey guys, welcome to CRNT Designers. Chetan here. This is the hard surface modeling part 4. So before moving toward the tutorial, if you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel, then please subscribe it. And now let's get started. Just add a plane and then go to the edit mode and select this edge, and then you need to extrude this edge like this. Then we will move this edge along the z-axis. So just move this edge along the z-axis. Just try to add a little bit of angle there as like a chamfer. Then extrude this edge. Then add 2 loop cuts and 1 loop cut here at the bottom. 1 loop cut here. Now we will delete these few faces. Just adjust the position of your loop cut and then select these faces and delete them. That's fine. Then add 1 loop cut here. We will use the symmetrize, so delete that part and use the symmetrize. Choose the proper axis for that, and now it's look good. Select these faces and then insert them. Before that, just edit the topology. After editing, select these faces and insert them. Then just delete these faces. Then select the corner words and add a bevel on them. Use the bevel option and change it to the vertex. Give the proper amount for the width, and 1 segment is fine. Now one more time we need to edit the topo. So for that, just add loop cuts and try to maintain the chord based topology. Few triangles are fine. After solving this, use the symmetrize, and now our mesh is ready. We want to add 4 boolean holes on it. Let's ease it. We can easily add. So just add a loop cut right there, and then you need to select the faces and you need to use the loop tool. So select these faces, insert these faces and use the loop tool to get the circle, and then you just need to add the solidify modifier and delete those faces. You can see I have added the solidify modifier and I have applied that solidify modifier. Now just add the support to loop cuts wherever it's necessary, and then add the subdivision surface modifier. Then only you will get the good shading, good shape for your mesh. Just try to keep your modeling as simple as possible, and topology should be good. Then add a loop cuts here. Now you can see we have added the supportive edges and our mesh looks pretty well designed, and we have easily made this object. Just add a few loop cuts here.
Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Take care.